Yo, what's up?
Yeah,
We are in
so we are in Benidorm actually, and we
Benidorm.
stay in Benidorm, and it's very nice, sunny weather, but actually windy.
Very actually windy, but it's facing this one, so the sunset to the people. Very nice beach. Benidorm is like a very, very tourist-oriented city. One beach is famous for the party zone and a lot of British tourists, and other one is more for the peaceful vibe and local, let's say, or any other who don't like the the, the,
The
the,
party guy.
the party guy, the British ones. But generally, it's very windy. We actually stay here because it was actually kind of central location where we wanted to stay, and on the top of it, yeah, is oceanfront. We have total actually 500 meters from the ocean, from the sea, because there is no ocean.
No, Mediterranean.
Exactly. Oh, we'll show you around. Anyways, it's off season completely, but there are still some people around. So normally when it's summer, there are so many umbrellas everywhere. This is like a zone where is no cars allowed or something. This is actually the old town zone. Our hotel is where is this tower, actually closer than this tower, so it's very very close. Only problem is it's very windy. It's not
And
cold, but it's windy.
it's also, at these days, usually in January it's also rainy season here. So when the weather is nice like this, sunny, so yeah, we just decided to go to the beach, just chill by the beach, enjoying sunset, maybe having a beer or having
An overcortado.
cortado. So yeah,
This is the bus actually. Hop in, hop out. But nobody there. Okay, let's go.
so
It's
yeah.
beautiful sunset behind you actually. Look around. It's gonna be actually soon. Let's go. We'll show you a little bit around. And the plan is we're gonna go behind this one and show you the other side. And yeah, this how does it look. But the sky is actually beautiful, blue sky. Look at this shot even.
That's
It's just simply blue. But today, this morning was raining.
Yeah, so just because of rainy and then, we just simply stroll around.
Anyways, we didn't even go out yet. Still roundabout here, but the British food and the typical British bar is here. So thank if you missing the Kuta vibe. I
This
think
one is actually the
that's gonna be and the nice waves.
But nobody.
But nobody's surfing, huh?
Yeah, the thing is that, it's nice, windy, but nobody's surfing. Maybe it's cold for the surfer.
Yeah. Or not proper waves. I don't know. Check this out. It's actually nice promenade with the beautiful palm trees, and look at the color of the sky. So you must like it actually, don't you?
Yes, and it's gonna be a sunset soon.
It's gonna be a sunset soon. We're gonna show you. Check this out. Also very tall buildings are in Benidorm. Just in case if you somehow didn't know, didn't catch up. So the beach area was over there. We came from there actually. And now we are heading into the old town area. Little bit. Then we're gonna go to the other beach.
No.
Let's go. It's the walking street actually. So yeah, I believe it must be very busy nowadays. I mean, season. So like I said, feels a little bit like in Kuta actually here.
Yeah, like Poppy's Lane or something like
Yeah,
that.
Kuta Legend vibe, 100%. So if you like the stuff like this one, definitely the place to be. But like literally, Spanish edition. Sayang, what's going on?
I don't know.
Oh, Plaza Mejor. Let's go. Maybe I need to buy bottle opener to open my.
Ah, look, this is like the center of the
Yeah, like
shopping.
like this one. Yeah, like in Kota. Just no bintang t-shirts, eh? But some other cerveza will be here probably. We love Benidorm. Basically like this one, like a central location, the square, shops, kebabs. Oh, this one golfs. Alright, let's go to the beach then. Alright, and now is the main street, walking street going to the beach, as you can see directly over there at the Promenade. And it's actually like so many businesses. Like, feels like this kind of vibe, nah?
Yes, it's like I wondered at how it is when it is summer. It
It's
must
actually
be like
pretty busy
packed
today.
with
So
people
imagine,
and
yeah.
hustle and bustle of the nightlife or something like that. Must be super busy.
Yeah, if this is still not bad, so imagine during the summer. Imagine July here. That's unbelievable. Probably. I believe. Captain Candy Shop. That looks actually nice though. Right. And also Benidorm is famous for this kind of buildings. Plenty of them everywhere. Alright, Captain. When I look at this shop, it reminds me like Bali 1-to-1. Literally Kuta. This is like no joke, sir.
Nota, bellissimo.
Okay, nice bar something.
Nice.
So many bars. And let's see, this is the moment of truth. Why this is one of the most tourist famous city in whole Spain. Right. Okay, the sunset is supposed to be there, but not in this time of the year. Right? But that's where we actually stay, so we can watch sunset actually. And this one, the
Look at that.
that's the tall buildings actually. Actually, I was planning to rent an apartment somewhere in one of those two big ones. But some of them they're illegally actually. That's
I think the tallest building in Spain is actually in Benidorm.
Yeah, that's the thing. And actually one of those, the big ones, the tall ones, are more than 50 floors. That's actually interesting. And overall that's the promenade, look like this one. And the beach, actually the sun and everything is nice. During the season is full of the umbrellas and stuff like this one. So this one is also look little bit like Kuta or little bit like Pattaya. We actually the same. Yeah,
I think this one is the Pattaya of the
Pattaya of Spain. Kind of like this one. Just without the main attraction of Pattaya. If you know what I mean. Alright. I believe the Tiki Town Beach Club during the summer, it must be lots of action going on here. I believe so. Wow. But it's definitely off season. That's without that. So everywhere is empty, but the Guinness bar is full. You know. Sports bar. Like Kuta vibe, no come on, man. Exactly. This one Japanese restaurant. Actually nice. Like the gate and everything. Yeah. So basically that's how does it look like. It's going a little bit over there. 5 guys are here. Taco Bell, so it's also interesting. And generally still very quiet though. But you know what you can expect here at least. Let's go back to our side. Back to the city center. As you can see, city bus, but not even single person is in the bus. Actually funny. Nice lights, shops. That's the beach there, but it's too windy generally.
Let's go to the bar.
Yeah, let's go have a coffee bar somewhere. Dondino. What? Yeah. Why Bali actually, Sam? I think there's big hotel with the name Bali, but they make it like a theme of many famous countries and islands and destinations, you know?
Hey, let's go to Tiffany.
Why Tiffany? Bar cafeteria? Yeah, so busy, no? So we're having a dos cortados. Cheers. So yeah, look at the place. There is so many people everywhere around, and all of them they like me and Winnie in 35 years. Like you and me in 35 years. Yeah.
But look at those babchas behind me. They're really enjoying their time. Playing cards, siesta time all the time.
Not that. No tak. Siesta tam? Never ending siesta. That's the thing. Sayang, it's little bit windy, but still better than when it's winter.
Yeah, because I read that the news in Poland is actually, you can do ice skating on the street because the ice is, is
And that's crazy actually. Alright, anyways, this is the center of this Benidorm. Something is going on, the big billboard, and there's so many stuff. Hotel Madeira. Oh, this is actually this fancy building what I showed you from the distance. Alright, let's go. Let's go for stroll shops and everything. Generally, like I said, definitely 100% is very busy when it's summer.
What I see is that more and more a senior coming. Senior.
No tak, that's... Dziadek. That's what you expect. And no, it's like very kind of vibe like this one. What you expect? No, like you see around, I will just pull over. I show you around. It's like this one. Everywhere around. Some walking street with the shops, but that's like a little bit better shops, kind of like not that bazaar style. There's actually some people walking at this time of the year, so imagine summer, really, it must be super busy. So windy actually, we came from the behind us, and that's actually, if you're looking at this, is nice. Just imagine they're full of people. This one's some nice bars or something, service area, like at the beer something, but it's simply, actually, it's just quiet. But it's also windy, so that probably don't help with anything. And it's middle of the week and the end of January.
So I decided to go to the one of these tapas bar and look at this, so many nice, delicious looking food. This, and this, and this one. And this one. There's so many nice food here. Nice. Okay, so we decided to go to one of the tapas restaurant, and I'll show you how it looks. And the food that on the display, something
On
like
the
this.
display, you go, you say what you want.
And
so
then I order this one with salmon.
I have a hamon something with coke.
Smacznego.
Smacznego.